In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to your bank account step by step. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or a seasoned trader, this guide will help you effortlessly convert your digital assets into real money right into your bank account within just a few minutes. So let's dive into the process together. First, you'll need to open the Binance app, and once you're in, you'll need to tap on the trade option in the bottom menu. This will bring you to a new screen with several options, and from here you want to choose P2P, which stands for peer-to-peer trading. This section is specifically designed for trading directly with other users, allowing you to buy and sell with the added convenience of bank transfers. Once you are in the peer-to-peer section, the next step is to go to the Sell tab. Since you're looking to convert your USDT into local currency, you should select USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies available to trade. It's crucial to ensure that you're filtering for bank transfer when choosing how you'd like to receive your funds. This step makes sure that you're only dealing with buyers who can pay directly into your bank account, streamlining the withdrawal process significantly. After setting up your filters, you'll be presented with a list of potential buyers. Look for one who is verified. Verified buyers are typically marked with a badge or some form of identification, providing an added layer of security and reducing the risk of fraudulent activities. Once you find a buyer that meets your requirements, enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell. Be sure to double check this amount to avoid any discrepancies later on. Following this, tap on Place Order to initiate the transaction. This will essentially lock in the deal with the buyer, and the next step is to wait until you receive the bank payment. This might take a little bit of time depending on various factors such as bank working hours and the buyer's response time. Finally, once you've confirmed receipt of the money in your bank account, it's time to complete the transaction on your end. Go back to Binance and confirm that you've received the full amount. You'll then release the USDT to the buyer. It's essential to ensure that you have indeed received the money before releasing your crypto, as this step is irreversible. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully withdrawn your USDT from Binance to your bank account. With this method, you can securely and efficiently manage your crypto transactions directly through your bank, making your digital investments easier to handle. Thanks for following along, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.